Alright, let's move forward on here. So question 18 is asking, how can we determine if two ratios form a proportion? Well, we simply cross multiply. So we can determine if two ratios form a proportion by cross multiplying two fractions that are separated by an equal sign. Let's recall the rule here. A over B equals C over D. Then A times D equals B times C. For instance, let's use an example here. We have 32 over 10 equals 16 over 5. So let's begin here by labeling out A, B, C, and D. And usually if they're asking us if these two fractions, these two statements are proportional, is if you see a question mark on top of the equal sign. So A equals 32, B equals 10, C equals 16, and D equals 5. Now it's just simply cross multiplying. We have 32 times 5 equals 16 times 10. Let's make some space here. Okay. Alright, let's back up just a bit. Alright, 32 times 5. 2 times 5, that gives us 10. Drop the 0, carry over the 1. And 3 times 5 gives us 15 plus 1. And we have a product of 160 on the left side of the equal sign. Now let's move along here to 16 times 10. We can apply the power of 10 here simply by adding the 0 here. But let's go ahead and kind of work it out. 16 times 10. We have 0 times 6, but that's 0. 1 times 0, that's 0. Moving along to our next column, we have 6 times 1, that gives us 6. And then we have 1 times 1. Now let's sum up our two rows here. We're left with 160. So on the right side of the equal sign we have 160. So these two statements, these two fractions are proportional. Let's give it a nice big check. Proportional.